Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Sign into your Microsoft account with enough rewards points and verify your region supports Spotify offers. Once signed in, open the Microsoft Rewards catalog and search Spotify coupons or gift entries. Make sure your Spotify email matches the account you plan to use. This prevents delivery delays. Then click the Spotify offer to view details and restrictions. Once done, proceed to select the exact coupon option you want to now redeem. Choose the Spotify coupon listing, confirm the points cost, and check for any quantity limits or expiration dates. After you press redeem, Microsoft processes the request. Sometimes it takes minutes, sometimes longer. Make sure to read whether the coupon arrives as a code on screen, via email, or in your Microsoft notifications. Once you receive the code or link, copy it exactly. If shown on screen, save a screenshot. If emailed, keep the message open for the next step. You finish by applying the code. Go to Spotify.com/redeem or open account redeem in the Spotify web view, then paste the exact code and submit. If successful, your subscription or credit updates immediately. Make sure to refresh and verify billing details. If it fails, first confirm the code hasn't expired and that your Spotify account region matches the voucher region, then retry. If problems persist, contact Microsoft Rewards support with your redemption receipt and code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.